Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to repair a dead laptop motherboards. So in the screen you can see there are three sections. This is section A. This section is basically called voltage and battery charging sections, and then this section B, it's called always voltage sections, which generate a 3 and 5 volt. This is called the always voltage. This voltage comes before power on button press. And the next section is section C, which is basically responsible to turn on the laptops. So in this C section there are three components. One is a SIO, then next is a BIOS, and next is PCH, either PCH, or if it is 5th generation onward laptops, then there will be a CPU. Instead of PCH, there will be a CPU. Let's learn how to repair the dead laptop motherboard. First we'll understand the concept, because in any electronic things, first things it's very necessary, it's that we should understand the proper concept of the circuitry. So first we'll learn the concept. So here are two inputs. One is called the adapter inputs. This is called the DC jacks, where we'll give the power. And the next is, here is a battery. And these are the 5 MOSFETs. These are the 5 MOSFET. This MOSFET is basically it's an electronic switch. There are 3 legs for the MOSFET: drain, gate, and source. Current gives to the gate, then drain and the source get shorts, the current pass through the circuits like that. So now when we give the power to this DC jacks, the voltage travel from these 2 MOSFETs, and this battery charging chips trigger this 2 MOSFET, and voltage pass through this current sensing resistor. So first things you have to check is that you have to find this current sensing resistor. The resistor value is something 0.2 ohms. 0.2 ohms. Here you have to check this 18 volt. The 18 volts, either it's a depend on the adapter voltage. So you have to check 18 volt here. If the adapter voltage is 18 volt, then 18 volt will be here. If the adapter voltage is 19, then 19 voltage will be here. This is the first halt that we have to check adapter voltage here. If this 18 voltage is not coming here, then either one of this MOSFET is open, so you have to check both the MOSFET, or this chip may be faulty, so you have to check this chips. You can watch our another video which detail given explanations on battery charging sections. So if the 18 voltage is not coming, then you have to check this either of this 2 MOSFET or the chips. Okay, the next is when 18 voltage comes here, then these chips send one signal, AC OK signal to this SIO. Is send a 3 volt to the SIO. Okay, 3 volt to the SIO, and then this 18 voltage travel into the section B. It's called a always voltage section. This always voltage section generate a 3 and 5 volt. Okay, so this is always voltage sections, generate a 3 and 5 volt, and we are using here a TPS 5125 chips. This TPS 5125 chips have 4 sections. It generate first VRG3 and VRG5. This is a linear regulator. It's called VRG3 and VRG5. As soon as these chips get 18 volt at its VIN pin, then this chip send out a 3 volt. You can see in this animation at this VRG3 pins. This is the VRG3 pins, and this chips send out 3 volt, VRG 3 volt,